Overview of the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. Hey everyone! Today, let's dive into everything you need to know about the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, including its interior design, exterior features, price, safety, and performance. This futuristic vehicle is turning heads for all the right reasons, so let's break it down. Exterior design. The Cybertruck's bold, angular exterior is unlike anything on the road. Made from ultra-hard stainless steel, Tesla calls it exoskeleton steel. It's designed for durability and protection against dents and corrosion. The signature triangular shape, sleek LED light bars, and bulletproof panels make it a standout. Plus, it features a retractable tonneau cover for the truck bed, offering additional functionality. Interior design. The interior of the Cybertruck is minimalist but futuristic, with 6 seats arranged across 2 rows, with ample space. A large 17-inch central touchscreen for infotainment and vehicle controls. Durable yet eco-friendly materials, reflecting Tesla's sustainability goals. Options for customizable ambient lighting and advanced HVAC systems. A panoramic glass roof for an open and airy feel. Performance. Tesla offers the Cybertruck in multiple configurations: single-motor RWD, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.5 seconds, ideal for casual users. Dual-motor AWD, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds, offering a balance of power and range. Tri-motor AWD, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, a beast in terms of speed and towing capacity. With up to 500 miles of range, the Cybertruck is equipped for long journeys and off-road adventures. It also features adaptive air suspension for a smoother ride. Safety. The Cybertruck focuses heavily on safety with a rigid exoskeleton for exceptional crash protection. Tesla's renowned autopilot system and advanced driver assistance features. Reinforced glass that can withstand significant impacts, though the 2019 demo didn't quite go as planned. Emergency braking, collision warnings, and blind spot monitoring. Pricing. The Cybertruck is surprisingly affordable for its class, single-motor RWD, starting at around $49,900. Dual-motor AWD, estimated $59,900. Tri-motor AWD, approximately $79,900. Prices may vary with add-ons, but Tesla's competitive pricing is a big selling point. Overall verdict. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is redefining